Hey! Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bailey, and today I'm going to be doing a fun, but slightly early Christmas wish list. It's only November 8th, but here's my philosophy. Coming up with like a Christmas list or a Christmas wish list, at least for me and people that I've talked to, is an extremely hard task to do and it's like you're constantly wanting things all year, but when people actually ask you what you want for Christmas or like your birthday even, it's like, I don't know. Hopefully with me posting this so early, you guys will have a month or a month and a half to kind of come up with your list and inform your parents and your family and your friends what you want. Because truthfully, Christmas is next month, so it's not like that extreme. Basically, in today's video, I'm going to be reading off a few things that I've been kind of eyeing over the past few months, or things that I just think that I might like to receive for Christmas. I do one of these every year, so if you want to go check those previous ones out, I'll have them linked down below. Maybe go watch them if you really want to. Just gonna tell you now, they're probably so cringy, and yeah, they're not the best, okay? Gonna put out the typical disclaimer, even though people don't seem to know what disclaimers are. All of the things that I'm going to mention today, I do not expect to receive. I know that it might seem like there's a lot of things on here. People are gonna call me spoiled, people are gonna call me, I don't know. So I just want to say that I don't expect to get everything on here. I know that this is a lot of things. But again, this isn't only like a personal, like what I want for Christmas, like only personalized to me. This is kind of like a wide variety of things that I feel like a teenage girl, or like even some of these things like for boys, might want for Christmas, just to give you guys ideas. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and check out my socials. They're all in the description. Also, if you haven't followed me on DOTE already, I don't know if I've even mentioned that DOTE has accepted me into their like influencer program. Basically, I'm a verified DOTE user, and that means giveaways. So go follow me on DOTE. I will be making a more detailed Christmas list on there, so definitely go check it out. It is right here. My username is just Bailey Dedrick, because that's my name. Okay, so the first thing that I have on my list, a Patagonia fluffy sweatshirt. Patagonia has been really popular over the last year, 2 years or so, and I really like how Patagonia looks. However, I don't want one of those like basic fleece ones that every single girl has. I want one of these fluffy ones, so I really want one. The next thing is kind of similar. It's again like sweatshirt type of thing. I really like college sweatshirts, or like just college wear, I guess. I don't even care if I like the college. I just like how college stuff looks. I don't know, I think it's just cute. Is that just me? College crew necks, college sweatpants, stuff like that. I'll just do all the kind of sweatshirt things that I want first. So the next like sweatshirt type of thing that I really want this Lululemon sweatshirt. They have it in gray and they have it in mauve. They have it in other colors, but I really like the gray and the mauve, so I'm kind of deciding between those two. Just kind of sweatshirts in general, really fluffy, big, comfy sweatshirts, because I find myself wearing like only sweatshirts to school because it's cold and they're comfy and school sucks, so it kind of just helps when you're like comfy. Is the Tom's gray Cabrillo sneakers. These are them. I don't know if this is the exact pair that I want, but I definitely want gray ones. I think they're so cute, and I've wanted them for years. They look good with everything. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I think they're perfect. The next thing is I want another Badescu facial spray, and I really like it, but I don't have it at my dad's, and I'd like to get either the rose one from my dad's house or like the cucumber one. Try a different one out because I really love this one. So refreshing. Okay, so the next thing is light gray slip-on Vans. I have a pair of Vans. I've wanted slip-on Vans for a really long time, so I really want light gray slip-on Vans. Next thing is a big, soft, fluffy blanket. There's this one that my friend got my other friend for her birthday like a couple days ago, and it was from Costco, and it's huge. I'll see if I can find a picture. I really want the one from Costco. They have it in gray and they have it in like a mauve-y, like light pink color, which is like the color of this, which is kind of my room vibe. So Then I want a suitcase. I have been using a super crappy, old, ugly suitcase the last couple of times I've went on vacation. So these marble ones with like the hard cover, so cute. I need a big one because I overpack. That's just who I am. I really like to get a new coffee maker, coffee machine thing for my dad's house because the one we have now is like fine, but it like takes so long to heat up and so long for the actual coffee to like come through. And I really want to get a Keurig machine for my dad's just because making coffee is such a complicated task there. Okay, sorry. So my memory card ran out of space, so I had to quick delete a few like old video clips, and now we're rolling again. So speaking of, I would really like to receive a few memory cards because clearly I'm in need of that. Next thing I would really like to kind of spice up my life with.
What am I even doing? Also, tell me when my flashlight was on. Cute! Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, get back to the video.
Is some room decor because if you can't really tell, I've started to redo my room here at my mom's. It's all just white and plants and gray themed with a few accents of this light pink color that I mentioned earlier. I'm painting my room next month, so that'll be really exciting. I'm painting it light gray. Is jewelry. I'm really into like dainty hoops and dainty necklaces, rings. I love rings. I really like the super thin chokers, and I'm really into gold jewelry, so just like little dainty jewelry items to kind of make me a little bit more cute. Then the next thing is crazy. Like, I don't expect to get this whatsoever, like literally whatsoever, but I just decided to put it on here because it's something I won't necessarily get by any means, but I want it. I really like this Louis Vuitton mini backpack. I just gotta unleash my inner Jeffree Star, just maybe for once. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. And I'm not the kind of person that likes purses. I don't like carrying a purse around. I feel like I look like an old lady. Then I want some t-shirts, just some simple colors like black, white, mauve, gray, stuff like that. I need some clear brow gel. I use the e.l.f. one at the moment and I love it, but the little tube has the littlest amount of product in it. So it's really hard because I go through them so fast. Essence, even the e.l.f. one is fine. Like, I just need some brow gel. The next thing that I would really like to receive is like a Hydra Flask or a Yeti water bottle type of cup thing. The white Yetis and Hydra Flasks are so cute, and I'm really into like the insulated water bottle thing. For candy this year, I really have been into like dark chocolate or just like milk chocolate, and then peanut butter M&Ms. Take 5. Whenever I see them, I'm like, snatched. I hate that I just said that. Okay, then I have been looking at the James Charles palette, not gonna lie, but I love his palette. I just feel like I wouldn't get a lot of use out of it because there is natural shades in there, but I am not someone that really does crazy looks ever. Like, I do sometimes like mess around in my room, but I feel like if I'm getting a $40 palette, I kind of want something that I'm going to use more often. So I really do want the James Charles palette for many different reasons. It is beautiful, but the Jaclyn Hill palette I still don't have, and it's been popular for like so many years now. I don't even know when it came out, but it's so gorgeous, and it has a few more of those natural shades in there, so maybe I want that one. There isn't really any particular like makeup product that I really want. I just am really into makeup lately. Literally any makeup that you want to get me, like, I'm down. If you don't know what to get me, just get me makeup. I'll be happy with anything. White high top Converse. I know that a lot of people have them and they're like really basic shoes, but whenever people wear them, I just think like, oh my god, like, why do I not have those? Like, they're so cute. I really love poetry books, and I know that might sound a little bit weird, but I'm talking about Milk and Honey, Pillow Thoughts, like The Girl and Her Flowers, like stuff like that. I really love like powerfully meaning books. Stuff that's like depressing as hell. Like, I just love it. Facial oils. I have extremely dry skin in the winter, and it's so bad. Like, if you see me at school and my skin's flaking off of my face, like, just know that there's nothing I can do about it. I literally apply so much moisturizer. I've gotten so many products and nothing has worked for me. If any of you guys have super dry skin and have like the same problem as me, and you have found like a moisturizer or a facial oil that really like helps with that, let me know in the comments. But just like facial oils, moisturizers, stuff like that to try to help this situation. And I also get really chapped lips in the winter. My favorite like branded chapstick is the Burt's Bees ones. And what I mean by like branded is one of my friend's moms has a super cute coffee shop with like a little store inside where she makes like organic products, chapsticks. My favorite chapstick, she makes them with like all natural ingredients and they're so cute, like all this floral on here. And this is the peppermint one. It's so good. So Lucy, if you're watching this, get me some of your mom's chapstick for my Christmas gift. The next thing is also a kind of bigger gift. I've been looking at the AirPods for quite a while now. And the last thing that I have on here is a mini like printer thing, like a mini Polaroid printer. If you guys haven't seen these, they're so cool. They print out pictures in the size of like a regular Polaroid. But you get to print the photos wirelessly from your phone. So you can take a super cute picture and then print it in a Polaroid vibing picture. That is it for my 2018 Christmas wishlist video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. We will have more Christmas content coming soon. Follow me on DOTE, follow me on Instagram. Those will all be in the description. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!